Alright, this is just going to be a quick video of some of my old devices. As you see, it was requested by him there, 11 MREWAN. I could probably pronounce that into a word, but I'm not thinking about it. He just asked, could I do a video of all my old devices, sound detectors and stuff. So I thought, yeah, I might as well not doing anything. So this is the drawer in my room, which I filled with some stuff. I don't know why it's in my room. It should be in the garage really, but it's here. So anyway, what have we got? We've got an addressable hot cheeky symphony sounder. This was my conventional one. All I did was take the addressable chip out, but I was going to sell it, so I put the chip back in. But I never sold it in the end. So that's one. Here we've got the gent sounder out of my room, which is where the conventional sounder strobe is currently. That's out of here. This is a sounder that I got off another YouTuber. I think his username's MF9200, possibly, I can't remember. Which is basically an older version of that sounder. And then I've got two Apollo S65 opticals. One's S65, one's S60, but it's the same thing really, they're both opticals. They've both got bass, the bass is there. So yeah, that's the other bass. And then there's one sounder bass as well. I also have a ton of break glass. This is actually loads of different types of break glass. I've got System 3300 glass. I've got the newer style gent glass with the new gent logo, and then I've got the older style gent glass with the old gent logo. So it's just some different bits of glass. That there is one of the tone chips out of one of them sounders. And this one's broken, is it? Yeah, this one's broken because that resistor there's burnt out. What else have I got? I've got two conventional gent core points. These are just the actual core point bits. That is an addressable heat sensor for the gent Vigilon or 34,000 systems. In here's just a back box for a core point, and in here's the front piece is for them two core points. And that's obviously a dust cover for one of them. So that's the devices in the house. Take you out to the garage now, and I'll just show you what devices I've got covered in there. So turn the garage alarm off. If I set it, if not, it will start to set me. What else have I got? That noise in the background's the server, by the way. I'll make a video of that in another video. Right, this cupboard's just a complete utter mess, and it's got a mixture of alarms and electrical and all sorts in here. I need to have a sort out. So here's one Hodison Besson Banshee sounder. I have a few of these actually. It's not just the one. So I have. I think I've got 2 or 3 of them. We'll find out in a second. Some crap. Yeah, I have 3. So I've got 3 Banshee sounders, the LF version. 2 of them are branded JSB. They've been rebranded. I've got an Apollo Series 60 Heat, which has been rebranded as Chloride. I've got a Menvier Roshni sounder, if it's in the box. Yeah, it's in the box, but the base isn't in the box. The base is somewhere else. Not sure where actually. I have some printer rolls for my panel, but it doesn't have a printer, so I don't really need the printer rolls. Order form. I have an old Roshni here with no base, by the looks of it. I've got Apollo Orbis detector, optical, still with the end of line resistor in it. What else? I've got a Series 65 optical there, a Series 65 heat. It's the A1R, which I think is a rate of rise, I'm not sure. Get rid of them grommets. That's part of my old fire panel. These are some alarm keypads for the Menvier system. I think they're broken though. What else have we got? We've got some more printer rolls. Let's see. Printer rolls. This is a spares pack for the Xenex panel. It's got the stickers for the end of line units included, and there's a load of end of line units, and there should be a load of end of line resistors in there as well, and there's some spare fuses and a couple of spare screws. I didn't realise I actually had this much stuff. That's a blanking plate for the old style gent core points, the square ones, which obviously are not in use, so that if you try and, so you know that it's not in use basically. This is a flush mounting plate for that Rafiki core point I destroyed a couple of videos back. That's what we got. That's some glass for these gent core points here. These are the old 240 volt ones, see, gent over Leicester still, and I've got two of them. That's not really a good example. There we go. That's got all the mechanism there, and then there's some more glass in there as well for him. I've also got this old tone dialer, which doesn't work anymore. I've got one of them. It's not an alarm device. I've got 5 back boxes and 3 KAC resettable element core points there. There's another KAC core point. This one's glass. This is out of my office. You can tell because of the paint around it. And it's got a glass element in it, and it's also got an LED as well. That box is empty. This is a Roshni sounder. This is one of the new ones, which you can open up and get to the inside in, which is pretty sweet. That's a chloride optical. What have we got here? That's an empty box. That's a repeat sounder for the Vigilant. It looks like a smoke detector, but it's not, it's just a sounder. I've got the gent optical smoke detector. They're very sensitive. I've got some till roll. Here we go. I've got an Apollo Series 65 sounder base. Brand new in box. See, it's still in all the retail packaging and stuff. I think I've actually sold that, and I need to get that posted, I think. I'm not sure. Oh well. What have we got in here? This will be a core point, probably. Yeah, this is a gent core point. Conventional. This is a loop card. Whether it's got the loop card in it or not, I don't know. I think the loop card's in the panel. Oh no, the loop card's in it. It's my old loop card. running version 4.17 software, which is too old. I've got a back box there with some screws in it. What's in there? Oh, that's a relay board for an alarm panel. So much crap in here, I need to have a sort out. That's another sounder. The bass, there's a bass for it there, which shows, this bass actually has the tone chart in it as well, showing you the tones that it does. Quite good. I also have a brand new, I've not actually had a chance to use this yet, white C3 sounder strobe. This wire's getting annoying now. I've got another sounder bass there, which doesn't actually have a sound on it. And then in that, I think there's some XP95 detector bases. Yeah, there's one there. I also have this strobe, which should be on the side of this to say when the fire alarm's in, when the panel's in fire. I've got another call point here, that's the KAC that's in there. A couple more boxes of glass for the gent core points. I've also got two addressable sounders here. Two addressable sounder strobes, which I might use. That's the insides of a sentry detector. This is one with a sounder because it's got a white ring. And I think the only other device I've got spare that's not hooked into anything is this S-Quad here, which is a voice one which I'm going to be testing out later on today and making a video of. So that should be fun. So yeah, I think that is all my devices, because I know I did get rid of quite a few a while ago. I think there's a couple of them upstairs in the loft actually, but I can't get up there, so oh well. Yeah, that's it anyway. Thanks for watching. I might be selling some of this, so I might be selling some of them core points there, or some of the back boxes, or some of them Banshee sounders. I might sell a couple of them, I don't know yet, I haven't actually decided. But the sounder bass is not up for sale because I think somebody's already requested that they want that, so I'll have to check with them if they still want it. Anyway, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. I'm going to go test out the voice sensor.